Swiggy is India's leading on-demand convenience platform with a vision to elevate quality of life for the urban consumer. The brand offers unparalleled food, grocery, and instant package delivery services across 500 Indian cities. Mobile consumption has evidently shifted from switching between the apps to waking up to mobile screens. Banking on this trend, Swiggy decided to explore innovative, newer media paths to grow its business, acquire high-intent users, and drive performance gains at optimized costs. Swiggy partnered with InMobi and Glance to launch the first-of-its-kind campaign centered around the user's initial touchpoint on mobile, the lock screen. Glance, India's Screen Zero content platform with its exclusive reach, enabled Swiggy to connect with Indians beyond metro cities. The brand leveraged InMobi audiences to target consumers with higher purchasing power on popular apps and to identify first-time users who are more likely to convert into frequent purchasers. Armed with the right audiences, Swiggy delivered captivating 10-second videos, banners, and interstitials on their lock screens, featuring discounts and nudging the users to place their first orders with an Install Now CTA. Further, Swiggy personalized the user experience by displaying ads before mealtime with hyper-local breakfast, lunch, and dinner delicacies. The one-click app install on Glance facilitated a seamless first-order experience for users. As a result of the innovative mobile campaign, Swiggy achieved a high-quality consumer base that transacted on the app for 9 weeks. The brand saw significant performance gains with a 29% increase in month-on-month first orders and an impressive 30% lower cost per new user on food delivery. By grabbing attention of high-intent consumers right on their lock screen, Swiggy fueled relevant growth for their food delivery business.